Ali, a young boy in a small village, loved playing but often neglected his prayers. His grandmother would remind him, "Ali, prayer is a gift from Allah. Never miss it." One day, Ali heard about a treasure hidden in the nearby forest. Curious, he decided to search for it. He packed some food and a lantern and set off early in the morning. The forest was dense, but Ali felt brave. After hours of searching, Ali grew tired. He sat under a tree and saw the sun beginning to set. Remembering his grandmother's advice, Ali performed ablution with a bottle of water he carried and prayed. As he prayed, a bird perched on a branch above him, chirping loudly. It then flew towards a hidden path. Ali followed the bird, intrigued. The path led to a small clearing where sunlight glistened on something shiny. There, Ali found a small chest buried in the ground. Inside were beautiful coins and a note. The note read, "This is for the one who remembers Allah even when alone." Ali's heart filled with gratitude. He realized the treasure wasn't just the gold, but the importance of prayer and trust in Allah. He returned home, shared the story with his grandmother, and promised to never neglect his prayers again. From that day forward, Ali prayed on time and encouraged his friends to do the same. Message of the story: prayer strengthens our connection with Allah and brings blessings in unexpected ways. Always trust in Him. Dear kids, this channel for educational purpose. If you enjoyed this and want to learn English and motivational stories, like and subscribe the channel.